Healthy blood pressure is linked to a healthy heart and a lower risk of heart attack and stroke. What you eat can directly impact your blood pressure by raising or lowering it. Read on for the best and worst foods to eat for healthy blood pressure. High blood pressure, also called hypertension, is referred to as the silent killer, because it usually has no symptoms but can develop over many years and then lead to a life-threatening event such as a heart attack or stroke. It's not entirely clear what causes high blood pressure, but it is clear that certain foods can lead to higher blood pressure. Specifically, foods high in sodium. Worst foods for healthy blood pressure. According to the dietary guidelines, 44% of the sodium that Americans consume comes from mixed dishes, 21% from burgers and sandwiches, 7% from rice, pasta, and grain dishes, 6% from pizza, 6% from meat, poultry, and seafood dishes, and 4% from soups. 1. Pizza. 2 slices of cheese pizza can have more than 1,200 milligrams of sodium, nearly half the recommended daily max. Top your pizza with processed meats like pepperoni or sausage and you could be eating close to a day's worth of sodium in one meal. 2. Red meat, processed meat, and cold cuts. Speaking of processed meats, not only are they linked to a shorter lifespan, but they're also one of the worst offenders for blood pressure and heart health, due to both sodium and saturated fat. 3. Fast food. It's no secret that traditional fast food chains like McDonald's, Burger King, and Wendy serve foods loaded with salt like burgers, chicken fingers, and French fries. 4. Fried foods. Fried foods are bad news for blood pressure. They are typically full of saturated fat and also often pack in sodium. Opt for boiled, broiled, or roasted, or try your air fryer, to lessen the pressure on your vessels and heart. 5. Alcohol. While alcohol isn't high in sodium, drinking too much alcohol over time is associated with high blood pressure. Best foods for healthy blood pressure. 1. Potatoes. 1 medium white potato has 620 milligrams of potassium, while 1 sweet potato has 540 milligrams of potassium. Make your own French fries by slicing potatoes and roasting them in the oven with a little salt and other spices like pepper, paprika, or rosemary. 2. Spinach. 3 cups of raw spinach deliver 475 milligrams of potassium, and this veggie is super versatile, so it's easy to eat. To make a spinach salad, scramble it into eggs. Throw it into a smoothie, or sauté for a side dish. Leafy greens are also high in calcium and magnesium. 3. Plain yogurt. Yogurt is naturally high in calcium. Choose plain over flavored yogurts, and add your own fruit or a little bit of sweetener for flavor. Go for low-fat varieties most often to limit saturated fat intake. Most men and women should aim for 1,000 milligrams of calcium per day. 4. Bananas. 1 medium banana has 422 milligrams of sodium flushing potassium. Mix bananas into oatmeal or top your toast with peanut butter and a banana for breakfast. All foods can fit in a healthy diet, even a diet to help lower your blood pressure. Limit the foods on the worst offenders list, like pizza, sandwiches, and burgers. Along with foods eaten at restaurants, processed meats, frozen meals, and canned soups.